news of the day was the Fed leaving its main interest rate near zero, and the market really kind of getting a lift here in the afternoon after the Fed statement. We saw financials like Citigroup and Bank of America, also Wells Fargo, getting a boost after the central bank saying that while the economy is improving, those low rates are still needed for an extended period. And the Dow closing higher for a sixth straight day, the S&P reaching a 17-month high, and money managers talking about the fact that the market has done pretty well year to date. And things like good cash flow, merger and acquisition activity, also stock buybacks and dividend increases will tempt investors to keep buying. And those, the money managers say, will likely be the catalyst for this market to continue higher. Speaking of dividends and share repurchases, we've been actually hearing a lot about those over the last few days from many companies, and a couple more to tell you about today. And one pretty big one from General Electric. GE, the biggest gainer in the Dow, on plans to possibly resume its dividend next year. This is after cutting its shareholder dividend last year for the very first time since the Great Depression. And the company also saying they may repurchase stock for the first time since 2008 amid a snapback in its finance unit. Also, Limited Brands, this of course the owner of Victoria's Secret and also Bath and Body Works chain, saying that its board approved a dividend of $1 per share and authorized a $200 million share repurchase program. And so that helping out Limited, a pretty good gain there, up more than 4%. Taking a look at some technology stocks, Intel rallying after saying it has already shipped more than 100,000 of its new server chips that officially went on sale today. So it looks like some pretty good demand, and one reason that Intel ending the day almost 4% higher.